Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syahira binti Mukhtar. So today I'm going to talk about background of the company of dental clinic Ktcc. Clinic Ktcc Kuala Terengganu is a dental clinic based in Terengganu. Clinic Ktcc was established in 2014. According to the Clinic Ktcc, since the beginning of their establishment, they have set goals to meet the needs and wishes of the customer for their dental health. According to them, private dental clinics help government dental clinics a lot in meeting the needs of customers for dental treatment. This is because there are many treatment services that are not available in government dental clinic. Therefore, many customers will go to a private clinic to meet their needs and wants. In addition, many customers prefer private clinic because of their faster service compared to the government. Although the price offered by the government dental clinic is much cheaper, due to too many customers, they are not willing to wait to get treatment. When they consistently prioritize their customers' needs, it can help them produce sales and boost their customers' confidence. When a customer trusts a brand or company, they are more inclined to choose it over competitors. Trust is an essential part of the customer-business connection that promote long-term partnership. Furthermore, individuals expect value from the product and service of their favorite companies. Value may extend beyond merely providing a good or high-quality product. By meeting their needs, business may make customers feel value as individual rather than as revenue producer.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurulfa Nasrul binti Mukhtar and my merchant number is 065150. So I'm going to talk about training and analysis of Ktcc clinic. The process by which the business determines the training and development requirements of its personnel in order for them to do their job successfully is known as training and analysis. It entails a thorough study of the training needs necessary at various organizational levels. The participants that should involve throughout the training period are the doctors, seniors and also the trainee. The eligibility that the clinic needs are SP and levers. The clinic does not compulsory for the employees to have a diploma or degree holder, but it is compulsory for the employees to have basic English communication skill. At this point, if the trainee have basic about the dental and clinic, the possibility that the trainee have to be absorbed in the clinic is very high. Besides, they also need the trainee have basic computers, basic Excel and Word skills, and also didn't have a hemophobia. Hemophobia is refers to the intense and irrational fear of blood that interferes with an individual's ability to function in their day-to-day life for at least 6 months. Other than that, the eligibility they need is interpret to look the patient tooth and saliva. For this clinic, the training will take 3 months for every trainee. If in those 3 months, the doctor sees that the trainee has integrated into the way of working, begins to feel comfortable with the workplace and also proficient in a task, the trainee will absorb in the clinic within a month. For the slow learner trainee, the period of training will take 6 months and above, and the trainer also need to focus more on the slow learner trainee since they need to learn carefully. Okay, so my next point will be about program design. Program design refers to the organizational and coordinate of training. It is the heart of effective training because it directly influences knowledge and skill acquisition, and also it must be carefully designed to ensure maximum learning. The program design that Ktcc clinic use is firstly interview, which is the interviewer will ask the interviewee about their background and also about their resume. Second is pre-training, which is they will prepare, motivate and energize trainees to attend learning event and to ensure work environment support learning and transfer of training. And the last one is post-training, which is they encourage learners to apply what they learn to their work.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Elisha binti Mukhtar. My metric number is 063967. Training evaluation is very important part in every company that conduct a training. As we know, the employee must go through the evaluation to determine if they are capable or not to do their job. There is a reason why company need evaluating training. Employees are like investing into something in order to get something more, and training also help to gain a competitive advantage. Furthermore, the clinic Ktcc that we interview most likely use formative evaluation to evaluate its employee during training that was conducted. Formative evaluation refers to the evaluation of training that take place during program design and development. In other words, formative evaluation makes sure that the trainees are content with the program, that it's well organized and works well. So, from what we collect from the clinic Ktcc, that they will conduct training as soon as there is a customer, for the trainee to experience it in a real life situation. When there is a problem occur to their workers during the training, the trainer will lend a hand, and at the same time, the trainer also evaluate the employee to determine if the employee was ready for the job or not. During the training, the trainer will see how the trainee do their job and give advice at how to do the job more efficiently, and give tips on how to make the customer satisfied with the service. After the training is done, the employer will conduct the training, will hold a meeting among the employee to hear the response about the training and development skills that established among the employees.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ishira binti Muhammad Akbal. My matrix number is 062155. My part is about what training method that they use at Clinic Ktcc. In reviewing the training methods that reported at the Clinic Ktcc, training method that they use is simulations. Simulation means represent a real-life situation where trainees' decisions result in outcomes that mirror what would happen on the job. Simulation method is classified as on-the-job training. On-the-job training is where new employees learn applicable skills for their role while in the workplace. It's a practical training strategy that focuses on doing things yourself in a real or simulated training setting, usually with the help of mentor or supervisor. Since this is a clinic, they must do training when there are patients around. How can the doctor demonstrate how to treat the patient's teeth if there is no patient? The benefit to the trainees is that it will be simpler for them to comprehend what they're learning. The doctor will provide guidance on what is correct and what is wrong while they are working and learning. The doctor can then determine whether or not the freshly required worker can be assimilated to become a permanent employee. In simple terms, trainees will be learning about good patient care, dental care, clinic procedures, and financial management of the clinic. Their own doctors and senior staff members are their trainers. Thus, they will feel more comfortable learning and will not be hesitant to ask questions if they are unclear about anything.
Hi, my name is Hitina Azira binti Muhammad Halmi. My matric number 064648. So next, for development activities, Clinic Ktcc, they use a few techniques to train their employees and staff. For example, they using personal training, assessment and performance appraisal and mentoring. First of all, they basically apply personal tests as training method just because for conscientiousness between workers and the senior or doctor itself. Give fully detail-oriented for those new staff and aware emotional stability each senior staff to adapt a new worker. Next, about the assessment test, it is involved collecting information and providing feedback about behavior, communication styles and skills. The assessment also may help identify managerial potential, strengths and weakness, self-aware and development goals. They use for both trainee for developing a skill, and it's also helping the staff more prepared. So, Clinic Ktcc also have the goals to mentoring their staff is to make sure the bonding between the new employee and the senior assist some comfortable bonding between each other. At the same time, all new staff gets professional advice and motivation for doing a better job. So the Protege benefits from the developing activities is for skill development, higher rates of promotions, and greater organizational influence. This clinic KTCC gets some feedback from customers via Facebook that they posted, and it is key that all the employees developing the skills very well.
For the conclusion, working in Clinic KTCC is easy because the criteria are modest, where all you need is an SPM pass. Training and development program are critical in every organization since they assist firm in attracting and retaining top talent, increasing job satisfaction and morale, increasing productivity and increasing profit. Training program also help employees continue to grow as individuals. Employees in a company are expected to advance professionally when an organization team is routinely educated on all current facts. That organization will certainly rise to greater heights. Ignoring employee training and development may lead to reduced output, higher turnover rate, and a negative impact on morale. This not only raises hiring and training costs, but it also limits the future growth of your staff and the organization. In addition, low productivity may stifle innovation. Low quality or less engaged employees may make it significantly more difficult to accelerate the development of new innovative products, whether due to team friction or low morale. When a company encounters significant absenteeism and turnover, output and profitability suffer. That's all from our group. Thank you.